Welcome to the Champion Circle. My name is Mark Soto, Executive Director of Liga de Justicia Foundation, and I want to thank Liga de Justicia Abogados as well as the Liga de Justicia Foundation for their support of this podcast. During the episodes that we have had at the Champion Circle, we have focused on highlighting amazing individuals from our community that are making a difference, having an impact on our Long Island. That's right, it's our Long Island, and together we can make a difference and change the world. And so we are very grateful for all of the views, the subscriptions, as well as the likes, and we are focused on highlighting those extraordinary individuals every week. But this week, we are actually talking about the Gala for Change. At Liga de Justicia Foundation, as a 501c3 nonprofit, we are focused on making a difference in our community's lives. We focus on families and children. We focus on doing really amazing things for our families, supporting our children, and doing the things necessary to improve their quality of life. All of our clients received completely free services from the foundation and are supported in a way that we could not make possible but for our sponsors, but for our donors, but for our collaborators, and all of the partners that we have in the community. From our elected officials to individuals from the community to community-based organizations to nonprofit organization leadership to individuals who are volunteers for our foundation, to our board members of the foundation, as well as all of the individuals that partner with us from various other organizations. We believe in making a difference in the community. We believe in service, and we believe in focusing on our youth and their families to create a better environment. So what do we do when we actually have our events? Well, essentially, we have a calendar of events that starts in January and ends in December and has a number of different focal points. One of the greatest accomplishments that we've had in the past year is our after-school program. With our after-school coordinator, Glenda Gonzalez, and with other individuals and our student workers and our volunteers, as well as the volunteers that we have to come into our young and talk to our young people, we are able to give our young people the support with homework, as well as informational support for them and their families. We have been able to support a number of families in the community with a safe and secure environment that is educational for their children and also inspirational. In addition to that, we have our summer program. And our summer program does exactly what our after-school program does, but a more extended time frame. July and August and more hours throughout the day. For our after-school program, it's completely free. And for our summer program, it's just a nominal fee that you could compare to any other summer program, and it would be pennies on the dollar, and the value would be tremendous. So those two programs in particular are things that Liga de Justicia Foundation is very proud of, and they were started by our founder, Bill Farrell, as well as the first executive director that I am filling in for, Ms. Madaya Maldonado, who has left an amazing foundation to our foundation. We are very proud of those things. But in addition to that, we offer free services in our Brentwood office at 1819 Brentwood Avenue or Brentwood Road in Brentwood, where we do translations. We assist people with young people with FAFSA forms. We assist people with any types of connection to social services, with connection to healthcare plans, and all of the things necessary to assist them in their daily lives. We also have all types of different developmental workshops. educational workshops for young people and adults. And we provide them with information of services within the community, but also information about educational opportunities, employment opportunities, and other things that are available to them that perhaps they did not know about. The foundation has also participated in the citizenship exam prep course with the assistance of Jose Avila at Pronto and others. We have been able to contribute towards assisting people in their pathway to citizenship, and that's very important to us. We do prevention workshops on demand, so we will assist any organization, any place of worship, any school district with prevention workshops, whether it be on vaping, gambling, any type of legal or illegal drugs. And we will talk to them about topics such as mental health and wellness, and a lot of the very important issues that are essentially existing in all communities, regardless of financial background, ethnic background, and all of the different categories of our society. We are focused on making a difference, as I stated earlier, and the way we do that is by showing love to our community. One of our biggest events every year is the toy store that we hold throughout the holidays. So for the time frame from Hanukkah to Kwanzaa to Christmas and then upwards to Three Kings Day, the toy store has given out thousands of toys over the last several years. This year alone, we gave out upwards of 5,000 to 6,000 toys to upwards of 1,500 to 2,000 families throughout the entire holiday season. That would not be possible without the very generous donors that we have giving toys, giving financial donations, and supporting us in our radiothon that we also have in the holiday time frame. That radiothon has helped us purchase coats in the past for people in need, and this past year it helped us purchase toys for those children that perhaps might not have had as many toys during the holiday season. So we will continue all of those programs, but the way that we can continue those programs is through your very generous donations of time or money. The biggest fundraiser for Liga de Justicia Foundation every year is our Gala. This year, the Gala will be at Flower Fields, once again, as it was last year. An extraordinary event where we had a performer by the name of Frankie Negron. We had some honorees, but most importantly, we had our community come together to celebrate the great accomplishments of the LIGA Foundation, along with all of our partners and collaborators. This year, the Gala will be on Thursday, May 8th, once again at Flower Fields in St. James, New York, and it will be an event to remember. We will also have 4 honorees this year. This year, the honorees include Latina Sisters Support. They include Marianne Pfeiffer of Youth Enrichment Services. They include Eclipse Entertainment and none other than White Chiropractic. So we will be honoring them for their commitment, their partnership, and their collaborations with the foundation in making a difference in our communities. And we will also celebrate the great accomplishments and successes that we had over the last year. Now, just hot off of the presses, we actually will have a performer this year that will come in to sing some of the songs that he wrote and he collaborated on with Shaggy. His name is Rayvon, and he is an amazing performer of West Indian origin who sings reggae style music, and many of the songs you will know and you will remember. So we ask that you consider attending our fundraiser, the Gala for Change, on Thursday, May 8th. The individual tickets are $185. A table of 10 is $1,750. And there are other sponsorship levels available. We will also take donations of any amount. So whatever amount that you feel like you would like to contribute towards our fundraising goals at this particular event would be greatly appreciated. and it would go towards all of the various programs that we will have throughout the year. In the next week alone, we will have 2 workshops on organ and tissue donation to inform our community about the importance and the awareness of organ and tissue donation and how it can change the world. You can actually have a legacy of love by leaving your organs to individuals, and you can save up to 8 lives. But we will share that information with you at the Brentwood Library this coming Thursday, and then again on a Zoom virtual call the following week. So we were looking forward to that event, as well as other workshops, other developmental workshops, and other things that we are doing throughout the year. What I want to make sure that our community understands is that we're truly grateful for any donation of time or any amount of money that you can give to assist us in assisting our children and their families. It's important that we continue this mission that Bill Ferro and Medalla Maldonado have created, and the various individuals that are part of this leadership team on the board of the Liga de Justicia Foundation, or on the volunteer team, or the rest of the team that assists us in making sure that we're caring for our children and families at the highest level. We are very proud of what we do. We are here to answer any questions for you. We're here to provide consolation, to provide compassion to our families, and we try to bring whatever solutions that we can to reality for all of our clients. It's important. It's very important to me, and it's very important to the entire team. So over the last 4 years, there have been tremendous accomplishments at Liga de Justicia Foundation, and even before the nonprofit was created, the law firm of Liga de Justicia Abogados was committed to social responsibility. They have made a tremendous impact in the communities that we serve, and they have done it from their heart, where they have given and given and given again. So we understand that at times it's not easy out there. And in different environments, sometimes there can be a lot of stress, anxiety, and maybe even depression or issues of mental health and wellness. But we will do everything we can to provide the support and to provide the resources or provide information about resources to help our families thrive, not just survive. It's important that we understand, us on our side, exactly what your needs are. So we ask that if you have needs that have not been addressed, that you let us know, that you call us at Liga de Justicia Foundation, you come to our website, ligadejusticiafoundation.org, or you visit our social media platforms so that you can give us feedback or give us some idea of what your needs are so that we can assist you in whatever way possible. At Liga de Justicia Foundation, we will continue to do all of the great things we do, and we will create new events. So this year, in June, we're going to be honoring our dads and talking to our men about aspirational masculinity. This year, during the October timeframe, we will have a Hispanic Heritage Month celebration, honoring those in the community that are making a difference, whether it be in the Hispanic community or for the Hispanic community. We are completely invested in our community, and we will forever be that way because we believe in all of you. And most importantly, we believe in our children. I was very proud to go through the leadership development workshop that we ran, a 10-week workshop at the Brentwood Library, where we were able to interact with amazing young people that made a difference in each other's lives and even made a difference in our lives. They were inspirational, and we talked to them about various subjects like financial literacy. We had speakers on nutrition. We had speakers on resume writing, interviewing skills, public speaking, and numerous other subjects. We will continue to do those things to impact our community in a positive way. And we want you to know that we ask you to partner with us, whether it's through your time or through your donations. We appreciate anything that you can offer this foundation to make a difference in the communities that we serve. Liga de Justicia Foundation has impacted communities in Nassau County and all the way throughout Suffolk County, all the way to the East End. And we have even made relationships and developed relationships with folks in the 5 boroughs to try to support them as well. We believe in service. We are committed to it, and we will continue to do those things that are necessary to make the world a better place and to bring a couple of grains of sand to that very, very beautiful beach to make a difference. Please, please consider joining us on Thursday, May 8th at Flower Fields in St. James for our Gala for Change. You will get to witness some 4 amazing and extraordinary honorees. You will get to meet many of the collaborators and partners that we make a difference with. And you will get to meet some of the young people that inspire us so, including one scholarship recipient and perhaps some of the students that have been involved in our developmental workshops. But most importantly, you're going to feel the love, the support, and the compassion of a community coming together to make a difference. And that is a reward all to itself. All donations to Liga de Justicia Foundation are tax deductible, as we are a 501c3. And we ask that you share this information, that you spread the word, that you come and attend and witness the brilliance, the extraordinary nature of all of the people that we work with and all of the magic that we're trying to create. On behalf of Liga de Justicia Abogados, Liga de Justicia Foundation, I am Mark Soto, the Executive Director of the Foundation, and I thank you for your support. I encourage you to partner with us moving forward to make a difference, and I hope to see you on Thursday, May 8th at the Gala for Change. Check us out at www.ligadejusticiafoundation.org for tickets and for more information. And if you need, you can give us a call at our office. Thank you very much. God bless, and have a great day.